guys, today I'm going to show you a food I can't live without. The tortilla. This is a very simple recipe. It only has 3 ingredients.
Masa, salt, and water.
The recipe calls for 2 cups of masa and 1.5 cups of water. You may find yourself using more or less water.
The actual recipe doesn't call for salt, but we put a teaspoon of salt in it.
Add the masa, salt, and water and mix until well combined. Masa is very easy to mix by hand if you choose to do so, and since it's gluten-free, you can skip the kneading process altogether. Hold back half a cup of your water and add it slowly as it mixes, checking in between for the correct consistency. You're looking for a consistency similar to that of Play-Doh. The recipe said we should get 19, but we ended up getting 16 because we make ours on the bigger side.
Cover your balls in a damp rag or paper towel to keep them from drying out.
Mallory's going to start pressing out a tortilla for us. Using a tortilla press, press your tortillas out between 2 thin sheets of plastic. I use a Ziploc freezer bag, which I cut to fit my tortilla press. Peel it off, nice and slow. Flip it over to your hand, your other hand. Lay it down nice and softly. And it should dance on your comal, your little griddle. And you're gonna let this cook for 30-40 seconds until you see little dry spots starting to appear. You can flip these by hand or use a spatula. And let the second side cook for about a minute. Think that's been about a minute? Should I flip it?
Yeah.
Touch it in the middle and it should bubble up. Just like that. I like to flip it again just to get a little more color. Take it right over to your tortilla warmer. There we go. You got another one there, Mallory? During the great tortilla crisis of 2020, I didn't know what I was going to do. I called my brother Santo up and I asked him, can I borrow a pack of tortillas? He came over with a bag of masa and a tortilla press. And we've been pressing out tortillas ever since. That's how you know you made them right. And our tacos are done. They look delicious. I have sour cream on mine. Mallory doesn't care for it so much. Cilantro and onion. Put guacamole on the side.
And a lime.
Guacamole on mine. I can't wait to try this.
What? We need a thumbnail.
We need a thumbnail. That'll be our thumbnail. You ready to try this?
Yeah.
Cheers. Very good. Much better than store-bought tortillas. They don't fall apart. They're very pliable. Very good. Just how I like them.
It does stay together well, and I like it that it has like a bite to it. And it's not really, really thin, so you can't taste it, because with the other ingredients, you can definitely taste them.
You can work with them a lot more. You know, they don't break as much. They don't crack on you.
And they're very flexible.
Yeah, they have a lot of flavor. I think
it's because of that.
it's because of the salt myself.
Homemade tortillas, very easy.
Try them if you can. They're delicious.
Very delicious.
Remember to like and subscribe so you get notified every time I release a new video.